में उठ चुके हैं, ट्रेन चलने वाली है और अब हम दिल्ली पहुंचने वाले हैं। ट्रेन में कालका जाएंगे, यहाँ से वहाँ से कोई दिल्ली की ट्रेन पकड़ेंगे। इसके लिए मैगी ले ली, तो अब तो ये खाते हुए जाएंगे। चलने लगी है और मैं बहुत काला क्यों दिख रहा हूँ यार। चलने लगी है, आधा घंटा हो चुका है ट्रेन चलते हुए। देखो भाई यार, क्या जंगल ही जंगल है।
Hi, this is the Shimla.
मैगी खाते हैं।
Welcome to the Shimla toy train. It is a UNESCO heritage train and one of the magnificent architectures of the Raj. This train negotiates 103 tunnels, 893 viaducts or small bridges, and around 900 curves. One of the astonishing part of it is the Baroque tunnel, and indeed it's the longest tunnel of this track. The Baroque tunnel was started by Colonel Baroque, who took alignment from both sides and started the construction. But as the tunnel progressed, they realized that both ends never met. And indeed they tunneled in different directions, way apart. Colonel Baroque was strictly reprimanded by the Raj, and he was fined ₹1 at the time. Can't able to bear the insult of his failed engineering feat, Colonel Baroque committed suicide. Indeed, a very sad end to a committed engineer. After Colonel Baroque was strictly reprimanded by the Raj for wasting their time and resources, and he committed suicide, it was all left to Lieutenant Colonel H. Moray to complete the task. And the feat was still as challenging as was left. Since there were no lights at the time, the tunnels were constructed morely in daylight and mirrors were used to reflect light to longer directions. And the challenge was then when Lieutenant Colonel Moray started the task. He was too puzzled how to finish. Then it was left to our own indigenous Halkuram from Chal, a local shepherd. He used his wooden stick just to knock at the rocks and tell the engineers where to dig. And the alignment was all for all of us to see. And similarly, Halku Ram helped the engineers dig up all those 102 tunnels. And Halku Ram is the real hero of this toy train track from Kalka to Shimla. Salute to our local hero.
बहुत देर बाद जाके पहुंचेंगे आप लोग।
लाइट जल रही है। It was indeed a mammoth task to bring all the resources from Calcutta to Shimla for just 3 months and then back. So in 1903, when this toy train, this project was completed, it was a arrangement on wheels. And since then, after independence, this train has been well and very, very well maintained by the Indian Railways. Kudos to our heroes. This feat of engineering marvel took 6 years to complete. And we are about to depart from Bharog. This is the guest houses and we have a canteen upstairs. Since the train is late, we can't stop more than 5 minutes. Otherwise the stop is of 8 to 10 minutes. देखिए गेस्ट हाउस में रह रहे हैं यहाँ पर। This is the station master cabin. Now you are passing through the famous Gorg tunnel. This is the longest tunnel in the whole route. And the tunnel has ended.
कुछ नहीं।
Heading for Kalkas railway station.